Guys, today I have some clues as to what is going to happen within the next 24 hours. So guys, you will want to watch this video if you're holding Bitcoin, because yesterday we talked about whales and I do have some more stuff to share with you in regards to that. So make sure to stick around. I'm going to go through everything here in this video. So welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And what we can see here, guys, I'm starting out on the daily time frame, and what you can see is that we are still above the orange box on the daily time frame. And in general, I want to show you this because I think that one very likely scenario right now is that we are going to trade within this range right here. So what we can do here is just use the same old strategy we've been using. You buy the support, you sell the resistance. So this is a viable strategy I am utilizing myself right now. So I just wanted to point that out. And on the 4-hourly time frame, things are looking like this. You can see that we have now had a little bit of a pump above the orange box here. You can see that we tried to break through it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times in a row here basically, and then finally we did break out of it. But yesterday I did talk about the whales position themselves and actually going long right now. So what do the whales know that we do not know? And this, by the way, includes both for Bitcoin and for traditional markets. Well, for traditional markets, you can see that we are having a massive green candle here. This market is going to open up tonight, okay? So if this continues on the upwards trajectory, and this is a bullish candle, of course, but if this continues, you do have the resistance here at 3,950. But if this is green, as we open up later on this night, then of course Bitcoin is going to also go up together with the traditional markets. If we do see a little bit of a drop here, then you know that the next level of support is the same level that was holding up the traditional markets the last time we were here, just a couple of, one trading day ago, basically, and that's at 3,850. So pay attention to that, guys. One more thing I want to show you here before we talk about the big move about to happen. I do want to show you on the weekly time frame, the 50-week moving average right now crossing the 100-week moving average. Now, is this significant? Well, this has happened 2 times in history before. It happened, let's see here. So the orange crossing the purple. It happened right here as well. So this was right after we had found the bottom here. So we did find the bottom. We went sideways for a couple of weeks, and then we had this cross, and then we took off from that level. It has happened one time prior to that as well. And that was right here in 2015, where we, right after the bottom, we did have this cross, went sideways, and then we took off. Now we do not have a lot of data here. We only have 1, 2 times, and now we have the 3rd time. So is it going to be the same kind of thing happening the 3rd time? Are we going to have a nice pump here for Bitcoin and traditional markets? Let me know that down in the comment section. But I just wanted to point that out, that we have seen that cross, and the previous time we saw that cross, it did lead into pumps, but definitely also it occurred right after we had hit the bottom here. So pay attention to that. Also on the longer time frames, meanwhile, we're already on the weekly time frame, we are managing to still hold the previous all-time high of the last cycle. So right here at $20,000, it's actually 19,100 approximately. You can see that this was the previous all-time high, and we are actually managing to hold that. We haven't broken down below it. So that's a good sign for Bitcoin, guys, that we haven't actually been, breaking down from the previous all-time high. We're still holding strong there. Now, let's talk about a big move about to happen very soon. So, as you know, I've been talking about the open interest on Ethereum. So what is the open interest on Ethereum right now? Well, a lot of people have been, of course, leading into the Ethereum merge. They have been positioning themselves. They have been buying options. They have been shorting the market to take advantage of the airdropped coins. Now, we have seen the open interest, and this is the complete amount of money that is basically being in the futures market of Ethereum. You can see it went from about $5 billion here in July up to the peak of about 9.3 billion here leading into the merge. Now you can see, of course, after the merge, the amount of Ethereum being traded here or having open positions on the futures markets have been going down. We're currently at, what is that? About 8 billion. Is that $8 billion? Yes. So that is still significantly higher than what we saw in July of $5 billion, even though the merge has already concluded. So if people have been shorting the market, why are they not closing their shorts right now? Why are they not, closing their futures positions? Because the merge has already happened. Well, one reason could be that there's not that much liquidity in the market during the weekend and that they're waiting until Monday until they are unwinding these positions. So of course, if they are unwinding these positions on Monday, that is going to lead into volatility for Ethereum. Another thing that could be happening here as well is that we already know that a lot of people have been hedging with options as well. And on the 30th of September, we have massive amounts of Ethereum options expiring. So maybe they're going to try to influence the market. The whales are going to influence the market, that is, using these leveraged positions to try to influence the market and drive the price in the direction that they need for the options expiry here in just a little bit more than a week here. So in other words, be prepared for a move potentially on Monday as these futures positions may start to unwind, and also definitely on the 30th of September as these options starts to expire. So that is going to be very, very interesting. Of course, in the middle of this, we also have the FOMC meeting. So what do you think? Do you think there is something to it? Why do you think that these people who had been betting on Ethereum, on the futures markets leading into the merge, why do you think that we still are at a very high level in open interest? Yes, it has been going down a little bit, but we're still at much higher levels than we had seen like in July and June and May here. So let me know that down in the comment section. Guys, that's what I got for you today. I hope that you are enjoying today's video, and I will see you in the next one.